that's sick. I found out how to do slow-mos now. Did you notice that? Situation report. ZR1. Mike, I'm checking out your car.
What?
I said I'm checking out your car.
Feel free, buddy. I'm putting my shirts on.
So I'm looking right off the bat with this car now. It's obviously up on the lift, so I want to see it when it gets dropped down.
Yeah, it's hard.
But I think my favorite feature, I like the seats, I like the matching seat belt, and I like the steering wheel. All the Alcantara is nice, but you could get that. And this is cool, the gold. It's like a champagne.
Yeah, I like that. That was unexpected, but I'm glad they did it as something just a little bit extra, you know, with the Sebring package.
You would think it doesn't like blend, but it
yeah,
it works really, really well. Where's the seat?
Yeah, there you go.
Fold.
I'm gonna pull it at the same time. You can see it's on the back too.
Yeah, see, like it looks. It's actually a
That's
little.
cool. I think that's the coolest part.
It's actually a little. I would say brighter on my camera, but it's more of a. You don't notice it unless you're looking for it, which is cool. It's subtle, but you can see it's all in the center dash.
That's
there.
my favorite feature there of the cars, that stick in the middle.
The stick, the only manual ZR1. The only manual ZR1, right?
Oh, it's so fun, dude. Yes.
The only manual 2019 ZR1 in the country, right? For now. So that's a pretty cool feature, but I'm not sure how I feel about the wheels. Shane and I are pretty much on the same page with the wheels, right? What do you guys think? The problem with the wheels is it's too fat in the center here. Like if this was skinnier, but Mike, you like them?
I think it's cool. Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool.
I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not a huge fan of them, but maybe I'll get used to them. Maybe when the car's down on the ground too. But you know, it looks like any other Corvette from the back. I do like the blue. This blue accent on the ZR1 logo is pretty cool. Here you guys can see under the car there. It's got some aero, some pretty flat up front here. Just get under here and show you. If you can see it, but it's pretty cool. These fender flares kind of pop out a little further than they do. And you don't have the Z06, ZR1 logo. You know, none of the logos are up here. They're all up on the cowl here. And I kind of like it up on the cowl. I think it breaks up that kind of just excess space. It looks good, but this is all cool. Matched calipers to the matched stripe on the side skirt. Definitely cool. It's nice to see GM with the color. Mike was right the whole time. They need to bring more of a brighter colors out, and this orange is just crazy, because if you look over here, this is a customer in for some work with Detail Lab and Shane as well. Got the orange, the Sebring orange Z06. So it's cool. He's got all the carbon pack, carbon here, carbon roof. As you can see, it came right off the truck. It's super filthy, so we gotta get that cleaned up, and we're gonna do coat the wheels, polish the whole car before Shane wraps it, and then we're gonna coat the whole car when it's wrapped after it's done. But I will say this color is good job, GM. Good job. Got something for you.
What's that?
I'll be right back. Now, it's nothing crazy.
What is this? What the hell is this? Oh, did you frame one of these for me?
There you go, buddy.
Oh, thanks, buddy. That is so, you know what, though? That is so nice and so thoughtful of you to do that for me.
Well, you know, you've done a lot for me, and
I have.
Shane's got a little gift coming, too, but I figured that was kind of, you know...
That's cool. No, I appreciate it. That's gorgeous.
You can hang it up wherever.
No, we got some good-looking cars, dude. That's all I can say. Man, this is one of my favorite posters.
Yeah, shout out to Ben. Ben for the banger of a photo. Dan's photo was good too. Dan, like we actually had to choose between photos for this poster, and Dan's was awesome too. And it just kind of we owe Dan for we'll get him on the next poster. But
yeah, we'll get him on the next one.
Hope you like it, but nothing crazy.
No,
but I figure it's
Troy.
cool. You can hang it up, or you know, throw it in the trash, or do whatever. You know,
I appreciate it.
Do whatever you want with it.
I like it. Thank you.
Shane, what are you doing? Why are we?
What? Custom laying a front bumper on this.
Because there's no cut file or anything
Not yet.
for this. So it's basically, how long have you been working on just the front bumper?
Probably about an hour now.
Hour. And it got about what, another hour? A little less than an hour?
Yeah, see, all this, well, it sucks when you get custom lay. It's all the cutting that takes time. Like, we had it installed in no time. It's just making all the cuts.
Yeah, getting it all tucked
Strategically laying
around.
out where you're gonna butt. You know, it's like, you know, trying to figure out, you know, putting together a game plan to give the best freaking look possible. So I have like a nice seam cut here, so we'll run a piece here, butt it there. You won't see that. You know.
Now, disclaimer: there's certain panels where you have to seam.
Oh, absolutely, on the bumpers.
Like people think that like these things can be all done in one piece. Yes, some bumpers can, but things with the air intakes and whatnot, you can't.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend it. It'll fail if you try to do it one piece.
Nice and dirty. Yep. Just how I like it.
That's how I like it.
Man, I want to take some pictures. This thing's ugly.
Ben just comes right in and just destroys it.
Yeah, it's not like
savage.
Scion FRS.
So Ben thinks the ZR1 is ugly.
The Scion BRZ.
He drives a Scion FRS.
Well, not really. Close enough.
It's the same car. You're only kidding yourself.
Master
No one
Race,
else.
bro. BRZ Master
Oh,
Race.
Jesus. Here we go.
Wrapped on. What do you think, buddy?
Oh, glad to be done with it. Came out good though. I mean, but it just takes a stupid amount of time. So, Expel, if you're out there, you're listening.
Cut
Get
file.
those damn cut files ASAP.
Cut file, please,
I mean,
for
really,
sure.
how many ZR1s are we gonna have in here? We got about 4 or 5 maybe,
Your
tops.
track record of Z06s and everything else, probably a lot of ZR1s.
Yeah, I hope so. Hey, if you got ZR1 out there, bring it in.
Yeah.
Looks good.
More the merrier.
Hey! See you guys.
Later, Brad.
See you, Mike.
Bye, Troy. Later, Brad. Safe out there. Shoot some luck. Thanks for nothing.
Situation report. Big Raptor in the garage. I have not forgotten about it. You guys have been giving me crap. Beaver knows what I want.
Oh, absolutely.
He knows what I want. You guys have seen him in Mike's videos. Corvette guy. I'll put all his stuff on the screen below. He'll hook you up. Give him a shout. But he was kind enough to bring a Raptor down from the lot. Now this is not necessarily one that I'm going to buy because I'm done with black vehicles. But we wanted to see if it would fit. I had a pretty good idea that it would. Right now, we need about a foot. And the only way that that's going to happen is, I talked about this previously in another video, is this stuff has to move. I mean, we have about 8 inches here. This is going to go away, the cabinet's going to go away, and this is going to go away. So that's going to give us easily 3 feet. So the 4-door will work. It's just a matter of figuring out, do I want the 4-door and be a little crammed? The McLaren obviously will go over here. Or do I want to just get the 2-door? You know, it's really, with the bed and everything, it's only going to be like a 6 to 8 inch
Probably 6 inches.
difference.
The bed's
So
6 inches longer, but
I'd rather, do I deal with a little bit of crammed and have the 4-door? Or, I've got some thinking to do. Yeah, I've got some thinking to do, but it definitely, it looks pretty good in here. I must say, I'm pretty happy, so I'll keep you guys posted.